The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller, and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, it had came to my attention about a video that is out on social media, and this video shows of persons that went into a store and stole devices while employee was distracted. Alright, now I am not sure how many persons were there working in the store as an employee at the time these devices were stolen from the store, you know. However, based on my understanding as to what I saw on the video or in the video, you know what I mean, it seems as if 3 persons were working together, organized, while these devices were stolen. Now, please bear in mind that what I just told you is just my opinion, and I'm just telling you based on what I saw in the video or what I thought. Alright? Now, according to information that is out there on social media, this video that shows of persons stealing devices from a store, right? It's said to have happened in a country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago, right? That's according to information that is out there on social media. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm going to show you this video so that you can have a look at it and you can also tell me what you think, and you will also have a better idea as to what I'm trying to talk to you about. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that this video is going to show of persons stealing from a store. Alright? And this video also shows you that you have to be very careful out there, and it also shows that there's a lot of persons out there that can be very dishonest. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that this video shows a person stealing, so the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Take a look and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. I just showed you a video of persons stealing from a store. Alright, and you don't know me, Dancehall Skiller, they have to keep you up to date and post it and make you know what I want. And don't be afraid to tell me what you think about something like this. Alright, until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skiller. Uno big up on yourself. You see it.